Hi boys and girls, we're doing Tuesdays 5-a-day math. I know you're doing both Monday and Tuesdays on Tuesday since we did not have work time on Monday. Our quick check. 20 divided by 5 is 4. 5 divided by 5 is 1. 40 divided by 5 is 8. 35 divided by 5 is 7. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And 45 divided by 5 is 9. You can see that one right up above for a quick reference. Levi walks dogs from 8 a.m. to 3 p.m. He walks 2 dogs per hour. How many dogs will he walk in a day? So if we want to know how many, if he's doing 2 dogs per hour, we need to know first of all how many hours he is walking dogs a day. So if he starts at 8, it's going to be 1 hour when we get to 9. 10, 11, 12, then we go to 1, 2, 3, because we switch from AM to PM there. Now we can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 hours in a day, and he's walking 2 dogs per hour. So if we have 7 hours times 2 dogs each hour, we're going to get 14 dogs. 14 dogs. Choose the name of the shape. Once again, you can pick one and draw the shape. So I'm gonna go with an octagon today because I know an octagon has 8 sides, like a stop sign. But 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shade and compare the fraction using greater than, less than, or equal to. Once again, they have those nice pictures there for us, and if you notice on this, how silly is this? They didn't even change the fractions. So 2/3, we shade 2 of the 3. 2/6, we shade 2 of the 6, and once again we can see 2/3 is greater than 2/6. Find the missing part. What times 9 equals 54? If we know we have to have 5 over here and 4 over here, we would have to put down right here, so we know that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 times 9 is 24. 21 divided by what equals 3? How many times can I count 3 to get to 21? And I would see that as 7. Nice work, boys and girls.